Welcome to the Smash News Network, Lee's Busted Name in News. It's another meteorology segment. Thanks for tuning in, folks. Congratulations on realizing that we exist. Let's do it. First thing, we're looking out of the surface winds of the western world. We've got a powerful low-pressure system here over the North Atlantic, making it to nearly 60-mile-per-hour winds there. Yet another bad day for Viking invasions. How about the jet streams? There are the jet streams of the western world. Quite a bit of chaos in the jet stream at the moment. Fairly normalized jet stream over the U.S. on that imagery. Here are the jets of the eastern world, and you can see this divergence once again happening over the Pacific Ocean. Very concentrated jet stream over the West Pacific, and then a sudden bend. We've got some 215 mile per hour winds there in the central portion of the jet there. That will be east of Japan. Anyway, here are the surface winds. Let's blast through a bunch of additional data. We've got snow forecasts and more. There are the surface winds of the eastern world. Shout out to our viewers from that side of the planet. I think we actually do have somebody with interests in the Philippines. So shout out to that viewer. Leave us a comment. Let us know. Next, we're showing you snow accumulation for the next 3 days. So this is the next 12 hours, the European forecast for new snow. There's 12 hours. There's 24 hours. And there is 72 hours. Quite a lot of snow here, mainly in places like Utah, Colorado, Arizona, New Mexico, and California. Also Oregon and Washington, Idaho, Wyoming, receiving some snow, and lots of snow falling, especially in northeastern Iowa, southern Wisconsin, and northern Illinois, northern Indiana, northwestern Ohio, and nearly all of Michigan expected to be blanketed. Again, that's the European forecast for new snow for the next 72 hours. Next, a 72-hour GFS forecast here. This is the GFS model for precipitation and pressure. And we're expecting mostly rain here in Lehigh Valley, Pennsylvania. Both of the models not showing snow here. We'll also show you the GFS model for positive snow depth change. And we can expect the Blue Mountain here in eastern Pennsylvania to be the demarcation line between snow and rain, as it often is. Some heavy snow expected to fall there around State College, Pennsylvania, and near the central part of the state. It's pretty mountainous there. Once again, this is the GFS positive snow depth change forecast. The GFS 72-hour positive snow depth change. Next, your weather.gov map, and you can see lots of winter weather advisories there. What are those tan colors? Avalanche watches. Yeah, avalanche watches and special weather statements, it looks like. So quite a lot of stuff going on. If your county's lit up, just head to weather.gov. Click on your county, figure out what the alert is. We've seen some lightning here on the NASA GOES lightning mapper. Interesting situation going on down here in the South Pacific. But we've got some terrestrial lightning over the U.S., perhaps. Certainly there's been some over Missouri, mainly Missouri. Looking kind of weird. Maybe some missing data there. I'm not exactly sure. Here's a real-time lightning map from lightningmaps.org. And it looks like we've got no terrestrial lightning over the U.S. at the moment. Continuing on, to remind our viewers that this video was originally streamed live to Twitch. If you want to see our live streams, become a Twitch follower, twitch.tv/smashamash. This also appeared on BitChute, and if you're a BitChute viewer, make sure you view on YouTube. Thanks to our YouTube subscribers for tolerating the pathetic censorship and nonsense and fraud on the platform. We encourage you to fix your platform, YouTube. This channel is apolitical, as is the Smash Team. So smashamash.com/SmashTeam is our subscription services site. We've replaced Patreon with something vastly superior, so consider becoming a member of the Smash Team. It would really help us out. We'll continue putting up free posts throughout the old year. for everybody to see and be able to link to. Here's a teaser at smashomash.com/smashteam. Thanks to our gold, silver, and gold paid-up annual subscription members for making these videos more likely to continue to exist and be publicly visible and free for all to view. Here's the water vapor scenario over the Pacific Ocean. Pacific Ocean, it's pretty wet. It's pretty deep. It takes thousands of years to heat up and cool down. It's Earth's largest heat sink. Water has a very, very high heat latency. Were you aware of this, folks? If not, please take physics. By the way, you can take MIT physics classes for free online. All the course material and so on is available for free on MIT's website. If you haven't taken physics, take physics. It's the master of the sciences, since all other sciences must operate within the realm of physics. Anyway, here's our U.S. Doppler radar map. We'll zoom out briefly here to show Alaska and Hawaii. Shout out to our viewers from the non-lower 48. Holla. And here is the lower 48, which we'll focus on for the rest of the video. Here's what's going on in the cloud layer. It's a NASA GOES Interactive Weather Satellite Shortwave Radiation Map, 3.9 nanometers. Yeah, water, it emits radiation, so we can see the clouds and fog at nighttime. Next, your water vapor map. And quite a lot of moisture here over the central part of the country, moving to the east. Some dry air moving across Texas here. Here's a recap. There is the lower 48 U.S. Doppler radar map. Heavy rains here at places like Kansas City and St. Louis, moving toward Indianapolis, Cleveland, Detroit, Buffalo, etc. It's pretty much moving to the northwest, folks. And if that map doesn't help you, the water vapor should. Here's what's going on in the cloud layer. It's too dark to see them, but the shortwave radiation map isn't fooled, and here is the water vapor. We hope that helped. Congratulations on realizing the channel exists. Press like, press subscribe, become a member of the Smash team. I've been your host, Dan, aka smAsho, signing off from the Smash News Network, least busted name in news.